China. This road will take us to China. Okay? So we can go get our microchips, our baby formula, diapers, whatever we're missing in America. If we take this road, we can go to China. All will be good. That's a custom tent job. It's been 34 minutes since I left the car, and these them here, yeah, let me tell you, I'm from Southeast United States, and this elevation will make you feel horrid. You just can't feel like you get a deep breath. It just doesn't happen. So what I did, the Kyrgyz, the real mountain people, are on their way. But as you can see, she is filming with my GoPro. So we'll see how that goes, how that turns out. In the meantime, this is not a bad place to hang out. We'll go take a look at this guy here in a second. I'll show you the back of his head. So, whoa, shaky. Sorry about the shaky, man. So this valley, I mean, you think about this. What, in the 50s? Or the 60s or something? I have to look it up. Maybe I'll remember and I'll put it in the bottom. Can you imagine? You're flying from space and you land between this mountain, that mountain, and these mountains. This is where you land. How? How did he survive? Because you gotta think, man, that's where that statue is. Right there. And then this is just another one of him. Absolutely amazing. That this is where he landed. Now, maybe the Russians were like, hey, this is on purpose. This is where you're landing. Or maybe it was a total failure and this is where he landed. Because you gotta remember, the lake is right over there. So my guess is that they're aiming for the lake and they missed. But being that it's Russia, you'll probably never know the truth. But I'll definitely have to look into it. I'll probably put some links down below. But how's this? My skin's doing pretty good at this altitude. You know, looking pretty good. Oh, look, this guy might be mad. Where is he at? Where did he go? There, the cowboy. Because I kind of ran off his sheep with the GoPro. There he is. So hopefully he's not mad, because his sheep are now over there somewhere. So this is how far they made it. Right there.
Oh, here's the waterfall. 너무 좋다 이랬겠다. 근데 넌 내가 가르마 있지? 그 수업 때문에 그랬는데. 맛있어.
This was probably one giant glacier at one time, but because of Donald Trump and global warming, last year it all melted. But here's some evidence of some of the cowboys just hanging out, trying to keep warm while herding their goats and their sheep. So they say in these woods, there's horses, sheep, cows, wolves. They said they've been getting boar lately, which is kind of, you know, ironic. It's a Muslim country and you have wild boar running around. So it's one good thing, I guess, that there's a bunch of Russians, because, you know, Russians love their pork, especially when they drink. The fat helps the vodka. So, but yeah, this place is gorgeous. That maybe if I was 20 years younger, I'd go hike up that way, because there are some trails, but they're like billy goat trails. But I just don't think I'd make it today or tomorrow. And I really doubt my health insurance will fly me out of here, because being in a hospital in Kyrgyzstan, been there, done that. And trust me, you don't want the t-shirt. So, but this is a pretty wicked place if you ask me. So these trees, these pine trees, so since most of the field is like this, the valley, they've been planting trees in them to help with wind, and then just, you know, I guess the environment. Oh, look at, they're running to the outhouse. Kyrgyz luxury bathrooms. It's just a hole. So, but yeah, this place is pretty cool. So I hope you guys are enjoying this trip. I know I am. I've been able to meet some great people, you know. It's been fun. A couple more days here, another day here in the lake area, and then back to Bishkek. Probably just roam around for a little bit tomorrow afternoon, and the next day, Friday, I leave, go back to the States. 20 hours on an airplane. That's what sucks. So, all right. Well, hopefully they come back with some good GoPro footage, and you'll see it right now. Paka. Is it possible we have seen a YouTuber in the wild? I wonder. Alright, just so you wonder, here's your TVs. That's your TVs coming from China.